like to custom UI like graphics. Okay, and it is open source. You have to, it is free. Okay, and code is available in GitHub. Flexible, hackable, ideal for experimentation, research, and industry. Okay, so unlock Kivy through projects. See, I have done many experiments with Kivy to for like there are several production application. Also, there are open source applications are available in my GitHub page. Okay, so there are some experiment and learn. Most projects are started as a experiment driven by the curiosity and personal interest. Okay, real world Play Store applications. Some projects evolved into production apps, teaching sessions, lessons about optimizations, UI, and user experience. Deep Kivy insights. Through these projects, you can learn Kivy internals, okay, GPU pipelines, and performance techniques. Unlock limitless possibilities. Discover what application you can build with Kivy, from games to productivity apps to your custom UI tools. There are several Play Store applications available. Okay, like for Android, like KivLab. I will discuss one by one later. Okay, the KivLab, Kivi demos, Gym Metric, like fitness and gym application, KVMDY application. It is KVMD based, but I have mentioned here because KVMD is also depend on Kivi. Okay, like math games, brain sharpener, which is game application. Okay, like settings age, like settings Android system settings application. There are several GitHub projects like IDE Kiwi, Android, Admo for Kiwi, Meta for Kiwi, Cartex for Kiwi, WebView for Kiwi, Delib Kiwi Test, Math JX for Kiwi, Android Lottie for Kiwi, Android Video for Kiwi, Gradient for Kiwi. Okay. So I will discuss those which are highlighted projects like okay. So like Kiwi Lab, it is available in Google Play Store. Okay. So it is Kiwi Lab is an educational Kiwi based Android application. It is free, available in Google Play Store. So designed to help beginners, student developers to learn, explore Kiwi's capability through the interactive visual demos. So it contains like 100 more than 100 examples, and there are codes available. You can see, learn, copy, and share codes. Okay, there are broad demo library, interactive code viewer, share code, instant run to see the output. Okay, so here one like two videos are I'm just playing. You can see how it is working. Just mute the video sound, and you see this is the application interface. So you can play, run any of them. So it is like big attack game. Okay, it is like modern call application UI written in pure Kiwi, and so there are several applications you can choose. Like it is dot matrix display written in Kiwi. Okay, so you can simulate dot matrix using Kiwi also. And there are several examples. Okay, like this is the like some UI, nice beautiful UI in Kiwi. And okay, I think okay. So there are, yeah, so it is like a ticket booking application, and it is now it is a to do application to do actually means what you can do and assign for later. Okay, this reminder like application. So and there is another one is like game. Just let me. So it is like ping pong game, which is using nice graphics. Okay, so the examples and codes are available in that Kivy Lab application. So you can just download and explore that and find code, and you can learn, experiment, whatever you want. Okay, so This is KivLab, and now this is Geometric application. Geometric is an AI-powered tracking free Android application developed using Python Kivy that uses camera-based pose detection to count exercise, exercise counting and track performance automatically. Like you can just turn your phone into a personal gym assistant. Okay, it is available in Google Play Store. So the AI model is running in on the device. It is using GPU. Okay, like media pipe, and camera is like taking the image, automatic counting, like doing some image processing, or some there is some counting algorithm is there. Okay, okay, also there is some, it is recording all those like information in like SQLite database, okay, in locally. Okay, and it is fast optimized. I'm using NumPy to do optimization and to make it fast. Let's see the demonstration. I'm just doing a squad counting. So see, it is counting my squad. I'm just doing like left and right. Okay. So this is how it is working. Now it is supporting two modes actually, one on for like squad and another is bicep. Okay. In future, I will add more exercise mode actually. Okay. So, so you can see the in Play Store also the application is available, and it is okay. Sorry, like geometric, GY, this one. So this one is actually available. You can download. Also, that previous one, like KivLab, KivLab is here. So it is already 1K download is done. Okay, so people are using this application and they are happy, and it helps them to learn Kiwi, to explore Kiwi, and they can just see how Kiwi is powerful. And see, this is the Kiwi MDY example application. Like a collection of modern material design. It is actually Kiwi MD based. So KVMD and KV, obviously, so that implement Google Material Design and widget for better looking at interface. This app is available in Play Store. Okay, so UI templates and demos are available. Interactive code viewer, copy. You can copy and share code. Instant run the code. Okay, so I'm just showing the demonstration how it is looks and working. So see, this is the beautiful application, beautiful UI using like KVMD. Okay. So this is login application, and there's some, and thanks to Kiwi and KVMD for that to build this type of things. It is shorts applications actually, like Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Okay. So this is WhatsApp UI. It's cloned WhatsApp UI written in Kiwi and KVMD. So see how it is working. Those all examples and codes are available in the KVMDY example application available in Google Play Store. Okay, so I think there is another like so it's like GP application clone actually. So now see how it is working. Okay, yeah. So this is the KVMD UI example. Another is like okay. So there is some other applications like ID, Kivy, Android, Python ID on Android using Kivy. So ID Kivy Android is a custom Python ID Android for Android, built entirely using Python Kivy, that execute Python script using isolate native Python interpreter instead of Visual Embedded runtime. So it enable real Python execution on Android, including multiprocessing directly from Kivy based UI. So see how it is working, and I'm showing the okay. So see that multiprocessing is running on Android, which is so nice. Okay, and how it is working, it is so interesting. We have done several trial and errors to just achieve this actually. So like app UI is built is using Kivy and main.py, and the embeds a script. Okay, so there is some script is embedded to which is running actually. Like mini Python is a native elf executable is invoked via build process builder from Java side, and we have just set the environment Python environment like Python path, like library path, etc., to configure dynamically. Standard libraries unzipped if needed. Okay, like stdlib to support modules. Script output and errors are displayed in the Kivy interface. So the link, actually the GitHub link is here. Okay, so this is the project which is very interesting. Okay, we have done me and Sexile and uh, Kartavya Sukla and Paisko Swap all are doing this ID. Okay, so this is like meta for Kiwi. Okay, this is the Facebook ads on Kiwi Android app. So I have implemented. Okay, let me just like Meta for Kiwi is a custom Android integration project that embeds Meta or Facebook ads support on Kiwi-based Android application by bridging Java code with Python Kiwi via PyGenius. Okay, so those all are things written in Java, and we have just connected with Python using PyGenius. Okay, so see how it is working. So like ads is working, and top bottom banner ads also working, like interstitial ad is working. This is the rewarded Facebook ads was working on Kiwi Android application. So okay, so this is how it is working, and the link is available here. One second. Yeah, so see, this is the project. You can see, you can read the code. That Java code is here. Okay, you can read the documentation also. So so now, like, okay,
So we are back with Sahil. We fixed the connection issues. It happens. It's the live. But we are back, so that's good. So Sahil, please continue what from when we lost you, and the stage is yours again. Let's go.
yeah, so sorry for that. Yeah, so sorry for that reason that connection was lost, and now I'm back actually. So I'm just talking with like Metaphor Kiwi, like Facebook ads on Kiwi Android application. Metaphor Kiwi is a custom Android integration project that enables Meta Facebook like ads support on Kiwi-based Android application by bridging Java ad code with Python Kiwi layer via PyGenius. Okay. So see, this is how it is working in the video. Okay. So See, this is the banner ad which is working on the top, is a, at the bottom position, and now this is the interstitial ads is working. Okay, now there is the load rewarded ad. Okay, rewarded ad is showing here. Okay, so and like how there is some all those codes. Okay, all those meta Java codes are written, and we just connected with Python with like PyGenus. Okay, so also the AdMob for Kivy is working similarly. Okay, so you can see the project is here, is available. This code is available here, so you can see and read those code, and this is Java files are here. Okay, and you can build or try here using there is build as a docspec file. Okay, so you can read and try it. Okay, so now like interesting like web view for Kivy is more interesting. Like it is Kivy web view widget for Android. Web view for Kivy is a custom Android web view widget implementation for Kivy that render web content inside Kivy UI using OpenGL texture, not as a separate overlay, meaning that web content become native widget in Kivy layout. Okay, so here I'm just showing you the demonstration that working on Android. Okay, so see, so this is the Kivy widget, and like we have just one second. Yeah. So yeah, so see how it is working. Just let me confirm here. See, uh, and okay, so it is opening in page. See how it is working on Kivy Android. So just see, we have just entered the text from the Kivy text input to just put that thing in into the search. Okay, so here I'm just searching like an URL to load in the web view for Kivy. So it is already loaded actually. Okay, so performance is good, not a very bad, because we are just using like OpenGL text rendering thing. Okay, so so the thing is that we are just pasting like texture from Java side to GPU, and it is take we are taking that texture from uh, GPU side to Python using OpenGL setup. Okay, so this is how it is working, and it is fast. Okay, now like Android video for Kivy. So this is also similarly working. Okay, we are using, okay, first of all, Android video for Kivy is a custom video Android video player widget built with Kivy that render video content using OpenGL texture rendering, allowing like you can play 60 fps video playback directly inside a Kivy UI using native Android media player. So it is like using Java media player things. Okay, using PyGenus, and we are also doing same thing here also. We are just taking that pasting those texture into like OpenGL stuff, and we are doing same thing to Python using shaders. Okay, so it is now added in official Kivy like 3 point upcoming 3.0.0 version. Okay, so see how it is working. Like I have implemented for a Kivy video player. Okay, so see, this is the Kivy video player widget, and now so so just playing the video. Okay, see that. So now it is very smoothly working. So it is now available on Kivy, like Kivy GitHub page actually. It is already the merge. Okay, like connection is little slow here. Okay, so this is the DLib Kivy test. Like DLib is a cross-platform. Okay, sorry. So DLib is a machine learning library, C++ based. That is a wrapper with Python. So now we can use DLib for Android. Okay, to build machine learning application using Python for Kivy. So see, we have just successfully just built the recipe for Android. Okay, Python for Android. So this is the demonstration that this machine learning algorithm is working on Kivy Python with Kivy Python and how it is working. See, so there is a face landmarks is detecting on my face, and it is sorry, 1 second. Yeah. So it's working. So it is loading. This is the application. Okay. So the face landmark is working fine here. See, with Kivy, and it is so nice. Although it is running on CPU, that GPU version is not supported on Android because of the CUDA. Okay, so okay, so this is the Cartext for Kivy, like Cartext support on Kivy and Kivy Android. Cartext for Kivy is a Kivy widget which allow to rendering beautiful Cartext latex math equations for Android. It uses Cartext via Java Android Web View backend that display formula as a Kivy texture without saving any files. So this is like a bitmap way to do from the Java side, and we are just making Kivy texture. Okay, it is a little slow, but it is working. Okay, so there is a web view, Java web view for Android, which is so there is a demonstration how it is working. We have just put all latex commands, okay, Cartext command, sorry. So then we just trying to render on Kivy application. You can see how it is working. Sorry. Okay. So so let's so see how it is working. It is rendering beautiful way actually. Okay. Okay. So now just for a minute. Okay. 1 second. Hello. So, sorry guys. Okay. Now, actually, so this is the Android Lottie for Kiwi. So this is the Lottie animation support on Kiwi Android. And Android Lottie for Kiwi is a Kiwi widget that extend image to render Lottie animations like JSONs on Android using OpenGL texture via Pythonus and Java backend. It handles loading, displaying, and controlling animation seamlessly in Kiwi apps. So this is the demonstration is here. You can see how the animation is running on Kiwi Android. Okay, this is the Kiwi widget. Okay, the same thing, same concept also is here, like OpenGL texture rendering stuff. Okay, now, so these all are highlighted projects in my which I've done, and also you can get the link from here, and yeah, see the projects, and you can search my repositories is here also. You can search all those projects you can find; those are open source. Okay, so now, why these projects matters? Provide a real working example that anyone can run and learn from. Help newcomers understanding Kiwi through practice, not just documentation. Okay, so showcase diverse possibilities and use case of Python Kiwi. Encourage experimentation and exploration without fear and breaking things. Okay, share performance techniques and the best practices for real applications, support that open source community, and help others to begin with Kiwi journey. So, so these points actually matters. Okay, so now some there are some okay. Although Kiwi is nice and powerful framework, also there are some issues because of this Python stuff. Okay, that I am just mentioning, like excessive widget creation, heavy layout inside scroll view, recycle view is not optimized for mobile device, frequent widget destruction and recreation, FPS drops on mobile. Text rendering, which is HDL based, is slow little. Unoptimized animations like FF5 player video playback on mobile device. Like FF5 player is already like for mobile it is CPU based, so that's why it is like it is little slow. Some there are some suggestions to just improve, like widget and layout computation. Move layout and size calculations to Python to reduce Python overhead. Okay. Pre-compute complex widget transformation before runtime. And lazy loading. Just load when you need. Don't load all those things at once. Okay, so there is canvas and rendering stuff, like use Kia like GPU accelerated rendering for text, vector graphics and shapes. Okay, pre-compute vertices and transformation in Python for large batches. So for animations, move pre-frame computations like position, physics, particles to Python or NumPy. So it will be very faster computation. Okay, and custom animation support like Skia, like OpenGL, like GLSL stuff. Okay, text rendering, obviously the Skia is nice, one of the nice option. Okay, like instead of the HDL based text rendering. So also, pre-render repeated string as a texture to avoid per frame layout computation. Move to the next computation to Python for high frequency updates. So there are some suggestions like Kivy unlock limitless possibilities. Kivy has huge potential. So that a top choice for the cross-platform app development, Python-based, easy to learn, rapid development, and massive ecosystem. Build any application, mobile, desktop, scientific, research, education, industry, etc. So GPU accelerated graphics and flexible UI for smooth animations, media, and interactive experiences. Support video, camera, touch, gesture, sensors, more. So open source and extensible, integrated Python like PyGenius, Android, NumPy, Pillow, OpenCV, There are vast Python modules you can just add with Kivy applications. Okay, so expectation from upcoming KV. So fast computation pipeline. So you need some fast computation using, we just I've already mentioned in suggestion, like we have just do all those computation stuff in Python, okay, like to make it faster, more faster. Okay, like Skia, obviously Skia is needed because of this like vector graphics and like text rendering, like animations. Okay, those all are actually needed. Stylus support. So we need like we need to build some application, right? Like like something writing pad or writing notepad. Okay, so nowadays the stylus is there. Okay, so we need to support stylus. Like WebGL, main most of the interesting things are WebGL and browser support. So nowadays, actually, like Flutter, they are just supporting all of those platforms. So now, but Kivy is not supporting the browser. So we are excited to see like OpenGL or browser support. Okay, for upcoming Kivy and pre-compiled Python modules for mobiles. So fast we can build fast mobile applications. So when we are using Bulldozer, we are just building one by one modules, okay, by compile locally for Android. So rather what we can do, we can just make an archive. So we can just save all those build files, and so we can just it will be rapid development for mobile. So we don't need to compile again and again. Okay. So key message with Kivy Python, the possibilities are endless. Create, innovate, and bring ideas to life across platforms. Inspirations, more innovate and transform ideas into high performance cross-platform application using Python Kivy. So key takeaways. So Kivy goes beyond demos. It enables real production ready application. A single Python code base you can power AI, media, UI, system level solution for cross platform. KiviLab shows the most effective way to learn Kivi is through real experimentation. Okay, so project like Geometric demonstrate that on-device GPU camera ML capabilities. And a KVMDY example is an educational lab that designed to developers learn, explore modern material design using KVMD. ID Kivi Android provide Python can integrate deeply with Android internals. Custom widgets, video, view, Lottie, latex break traditional platform limitations. Kiwi has huge potential, and we are unlocking day by day to make it the leading Python-based cross-platform framework. Okay, so thank you, thank you to the Kiwi code team and contributors. Thanks to the Python and open source community. Special thanks to my friends. Heartfelt thanks to my family. Let's keep building amazing things with Kiwi Python. So happy New Year 2026.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sahil. We have some nice time here. Do not worry about the issues we have with connection. It happens. And
Yeah.
you also shown a lot of nice demo apps and also some tools that we can integrate into our apps, specifically Android ones. Yeah,
Yes.
as you might have noticed, the Skia is the base here for the next Kiwi, so it will land hopefully soon and will help us to make things faster and also
Yes.
lightweight. And for about the mobile part, at the moment I'm working on the iOS part mainly to migrate to what Python give us with the new iOS and Android support. Then I guess we will also start, and we should also start working on it for Android. So basically, we can leave Kivy iOS to the past and also Python for Android, or at least at how it's made at the moment, and go further with the next Python support in the recent Python versions. So yeah, hopefully we will have a nicer
And
future
and
and
obviously the yeah,
high
obviously the
slower.
browser support. Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, WebGL support. Yeah.
Yeah, if
That will be
someone
great.
want to work on it, please
Yeah, yeah,
raise
yeah.
a pull request and maybe
Yeah,
something
we
will.
need that actually.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
Mm.
thank you, Sahil. We will
Yes,
now
yes.
taking a short break to set up things for the next talk, which will be with who's next? With Harriet. So, okay, thank you, Sahil, and see you
Thank you.
again next year or next live or in the Discord chat.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Mm.